Alright guys, so as I was telling you guys during the last video, before I blew the boot off, obviously, we did see a drop in EGT when it came down to installing the new pusher system. So I did see a 200-degree drop in EGT now that I fixed the boost leak and all that. So I did want to kind of do an update for you. I will do a pool video when it's actually a little bit brighter out and I can kind of show you a little bit better. But boost pressure, we're still about 50 pounds, 48, 49 pounds. But, you know, it's at least we're seeing a 200-degree drop in EGT. And for the price, you can't beat it. So if you're kind of the same boat that I am, trying to lower EGT, but you really don't want to go out there and spend the money on a charger right now, look into talking to Pusher. Great guys, good products. I've used them and I highly recommend them. So until the next video guys, I'll see you guys later on.